The capuchin bird has a bald head and moose like a cow. Seriously weird and wild. The white bellbird is snowy white and screams the loudest call of any bird, like a piercing bell. The blue-winged kookaburra laughs loud and wild, with bright blue wings and a big head. Prairie chickens make deep, booming sounds and strut with bright orange neck-fancy footwork to impress mates. The loonbird is a large water bird known for its striking red eyes, dagger-like bill, and eerie, haunting calls that echo across northern lakes. What animals did you laugh most? Let me know. Comment down below.